Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Grab app verification problem. So if you're currently actually experiencing that exact same thing and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Grab app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app, then I scrolled down in here and I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on storage as you can see here. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. Now when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So you're going to click on the search bar, search for Grab in here and click on the Grab app. Now you're just going to simply click on offload app. Once again, click on offload app in here and just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And just basically now wait for your Grab app to completely update to its latest version. This might sometimes, by the way, take a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds. If you're lucky, it's going to just take you a couple of seconds. Then when it's done, go back once again and try to fulfill the sign up process again and see if the verification problem is now actually fixed. Because for me, this was actually fixed by just doing this. But if it still is not working for you, it might be due to a couple of reasons. One of them might be that if you have like a bunch of different Grab accounts, as far as I know at least, I don't think that you can have like a bunch of Grab accounts. So you have to probably delete those duplicate ones that you have and then try once again. That might be one thing that you can try to be able to fix it. Another thing is that, for example, if they're asking you for your ID, for like you have to verify your identification, you have to actually send them like a passport or your ID card. Make sure that that one actually matches the exact name that you're also written to them, of course, because if it doesn't, then it will not work. Sometimes the verification process fails just as easy as when you actually send them like a photo of your ID card, for example. You have to make sure that all the four edges on your ID card is visible. So if you just like send them and you can only see like 75 to 80% of the ID card, even though you can see your name, your photo, everything, that might still get rejected, just so you know. So you have to make sure that all the four edges on the ID card is actually showing, just so you know. But try this and hopefully now you'll be able to fix this problem as well.